You could play a game like Super Mario Galaxy 2 with a controller instead of the Wiimote and Nunchucks on Dolphin Emulator. You can even emulate the sensor bar with your analog stick on the controller too. All you have to do is go into settings and change the Wiimote to emulated Wiimote in Dolphin. So you go here, you go to controllers, you go to where it says Wiimote, you change that to emulated Wiimote, and then you press configure, and then you would choose your extension, which is the nunchucks that you want. So for the face buttons, and I'm using a Switch Pro controller, the same thing for any controller. So for like the face buttons for A, I would just press what I have A on my controller. I'd use the face buttons for these. So for B, I use the trigger, the right trigger. For 1, I have it set to X, my top button, and 2, I have it set to Y, which is the button on the left. And then start and select in my home button, you just set that to your controller start and select buttons. The D-pad is exactly the same. And then for the nunchucks, you want to go to extension, the extension tab, and you just want to click here and just choose up, down, left, right for your stick inputs. And then for the C button, I have that as my right analog stick. I just click that to activate C. And the trigger, I have it on the right bumper. And then for motion simulation, you can make X your face button. You can also set that to Y too. You can have more than one button doing the same thing, doing different things. So if I set the shake to Y, if I'm playing a game on the Wii, what is happening here? If I play a game on the Wii and I just press Y, that counts as the shake. And if you get Mario Galaxy for the Switch, that's how they do it too. So you can just set the shake to Y. And then for this, the pointer, I use the right stick. And then you can just press A to select things. And the tilt, you can use a D-pad to tilt the controller. Thanks for watching.